Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. It is currently 3:45 in the morning, I think, something like that, 4 a.m. We are headed to South Dakota to do some walleye fishing. Not in that boat. Taking my father-in-law's boat. Gonna go try to catch some walleye, get a limit real quick, and then go chase some smallmouth. So 2 days of fishing in this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and as always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you, and here we go. All right, just got here.
What? That goes like a camera in the water.
Make it live?
Yeah.
Oh, you should have seen ice fishing.
He'd be like a video game.
He'd be like, there's a fish right over there at 8 feet. I'd go over there, drill a hole, see the freaking ice crystals fall down, then you'd see my lure go down. He'd be like, oh, nope, he's another foot further. Since your lure's at 5 feet and he's at 6 feet. Drill a hole, foot over, see my freaking lure go down, and you should be right on him right now. Oh, there he is. I'm like, you got me, get him.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, crazy shit. So, can you see how many there was?
Oh yeah, you can see individual fish.
Did you have a lot out there with that lake? With...
The crappie?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
One day father there.
Sea fishing with it. His dad?
It'd be a spot box.
His dad? Jamie?
Well, what's happening, guys? Nothing? Not a bite, huh?
Make it live.
All right. We're going to start up there and work our way down this way.
Cast it short.
The magic lure. No. Good news is the wind's blowing into this shoreline.
First pair. Yep. Works again.
First cast.
Start right here. Picture worthy right there.
That'd be where you bet the
12, 14, something like that.
Fish all over right here.
Yeah, for sure. All right, that's number 2. I can measure that first one again too. I bet it's 8 inches. I said we can catch them right here. We actually have a nice. What's that one? What's that one?
18.
That one's 18. How big was that first one?
It's about the same.
Good.
Every time Brandon thinks he knows.
I got a fish. Spoolie.
It's big. It's not even like he's real.
Nice.
Oh yeah. That's deep. No more.
Another keeper.
On the
See that?
on my other feeder. That was on you turn right, you'll go back into like right on my bottom bouncer.
I got a fish.
Like dead weight.
Shit. Order neutral. Yeah. Right here. Oh, didn't even see it. Brad, you got one. Brad, you got one.
Did you see it? Big. It felt big. I got one. That was a big fish.
And it was fighting like a big walleye.
That was a big
Just dead weight.
Dead weight.
Smallmouth would have been all over. And I was 100% ready with it.
Yeah, oh yeah. You can see,
Like you said,
you can see my bottom bouncer.
yeah.
I mean, he was right here. No, that ain't a catfish. Get that net ready. No, it's not a catfish.
Oh, it's a huge carp. Holy fuck.
I'm pulling them all out of the box just so we can confirm how many we got, make sure we got our 3-man limit. And once we get them out there, again, we're going to bleed them. So if you don't like that stuff, you might want to look away. For anyone that hasn't done this before, I'll just explain how I do it. Everyone has their own method, but for the general consensus, I think this is how pretty much everyone does it. So I'll take my knife, I'll lay that walleye down right on the outside of the live well so I don't get too much blood on the carpet, but right where the gill plates connect, and just slice right down. It's real easy to cut. I just use my pocket knife, but cut straight down, and as you can see, those fish die almost instantly. They pool out all their blood, and the fillets turn out bleach white. You don't have to worry about any of that. As you can see, that fish in the live well there, just instantly all that blood comes out. So once you're done, your live well is pretty gruesome, but it works well. It's a great method. You get some really good meat. So, all right, well, very, very windy day, if you can even hear me, but successful day. Got some big ones. Look at this guy with their fingers. All in all, a good day. That's all for day one. Headed back to the place to clean and order some pizza. So, all right, well, enjoy day two.